I'm Tia Capers and welcome. You are tuned into my home decor and more lifestyle channel, showcasing a mixture of Afro, boho, coastal decor with an eclectic flair. So enjoy and be inspired. Hey family, welcome back. Just wanted to tap in with you guys to kind of give you an idea of how I travel and some of the things that I take when I travel. I'm under the weather right now, so I may sound a little funny, but thanks for tuning in and hanging in there with me as I get through the video. So in this particular video, I'm just kind of going through the hotel resort, just kind of taking a look at everything, because some of them are different. Some of them have different closets, different utensils, different amenities, different everything. So typically I get there and I sanitize everything, refrigerator, tables, bedding, remotes, everything in the kitchen, all the handles, knobs, all the things. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in this video clip, just taking a look at everything around, because I cook a lot too when I travel. So when I go through the kitchen, I'm mainly trying to see what all I have to work with. Sometimes they have a blender. I like to make ice cream. Sometimes they don't. So yeah, so once I get everything wiped down, I change the linen. So so I travel with my linen. Usually when I check into the hotel or the resort, it looks like I'm moving in, even if it's just for a weekend. I like to drive on when I go to vacation or go on vacation, because I get to throw everything in the car. Everything I think I will need to be comfortable and make me feel like I'm at home. I don't like to sleep on the hotel sheet. So yes, I bring my own linen. I top everything, put everything over their bedding. I change out, I put my pillowcases on and everything. So here's another resort that I went to just a few weeks ago. And again, same thing. I took a look around, see where everything is. This one had 2 bathrooms. A bedroom, nice balcony. I had 2 balconies actually, one off the bedroom and one here that's facing the beach. So that was really nice. So I got everything unpacked, sanitized, and yes, this is where I put the linen on. So I think this linen here is by the Jungalow, Christina Blakely. So I think I got it from Marshall's or somewhere, Home Goods or somewhere a while back, and it was very affordable. But at any rate, I travel with that one a lot. So I put that on the bed. I also put a coverlet on the bed, something I picked up from the Goodwill. I put this little blanket because it was cold weather, so picked that up from Marshall's or somewhere. So yeah, and I take the fitted sheet and I put that over on the couch. So I always take a fitted sheet to put on the couch area, because I don't like sitting on the couch bare either. So yeah. So in this particular video, or on this vacation, I believe my color scheme was like hot pinks and blues and stuff like that. So as you can see in these pictures, all my clothing, all my table decor, everything that I pack, I pack it in those color schemes. I found that packing in color schemes makes me take less stuff. So less earrings, shoes, and accessories and clothing, because everything kind of mix and match. But I do match it all down to the cloth napkins, the plates. As you can see, the napkin rings, the cups. I bring my own mugs because I do drink a lot of tea. In this case, I had hot chocolate, I think. So yeah, so this color scheme were those particular colors. So I kind of decorated it throughout with that color. And then I think, and I try to bring different things that I can mix and match. So I won't use the exact same napkins and everything every single meal. I try to mix and match some stuff. So yeah, that's what you're seeing here. And so the next vacation was like purple or lavenders and different blues, greens, and stuff like that. All inspired by that dang on bag right there, that America and Beyond bag. So everything I packed again, my napkins, my napkin rings, tablecloth, runners, mats, all the things, I try to pack it in that color scheme. So yeah, I play that color out all the way through my clothing and my decor. And then so the next vacation was to Destin, Florida, and it was black and gold, but of course I had to mix in color with it. So my tableware and stuff remained in the black and gold scheme. This was on the kitchen island. But yeah, all my clothing and everything was kind of black and tans and golds, yellows, but I did mix in colors here and there. My bathing suit, and everything, my accessories and everything I wore. But yeah, as it relates to the table decor, I did keep it pretty much black and gold. So yeah, so that was pretty interesting to do it that way, and I typically do it that way. Now I have a vacation coming up. Not sure what colors I'm going to use, but I have a lot to choose from. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video real soon when I'm better. Thanks.